Welcome guys to episode 17 of how we build and remodel a 49-room hotel in Miami Beach. Last episode I showed you how we were backfilling the dirt inside the new area, and after that we start installing all the plumbing underground. And once we finish this, now we are backfilling again where we open for the plumbing, and then electrical underground is gonna come. After we finish that, we're gonna start installing the rebars, all the reinforcement to be able to put the slab on top of this. Moving forward, we install all the rebars, all the plates for the columns, and now we are ready to pour concrete to form the slab. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell for more upgrades on how to build and remodel a 49-room hotel here in Miami Beach. Thanks for watching.